Good morning, good morning, good morning, MB Tribe. You already know who is. It's your girl, MaevëxBeauty, coming back to you with another video. And guess what, y'all? Guess what? One, I know, I always come on here looking any type of way or dusty or whatever. Sometimes I look good, sometimes I look dusty. It's like, you won't get either or. But y'all love me either way, and I love you, and I miss y'all. I'm excited to, one, be participating in Vlogmas this year. I'm finally, like, trying to push myself to stick through it and actually participate in Vlogmas. So, it may not be every day because y'all know I post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So y'all will see it every other day. But your girl is still coming with the come through. I'm still going to support. I'm still going to do it. It's still going to be a vibe. And we going to have fun over here in the tribe. I'm being extra hyped because I missed y'all. And you know, who else can take me from me and accept my energy the way that it is except for y'all? Because y'all just as cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs as I am. But anyways, I am in my bathroom, as you all can tell. It looks like a hot mess that needs to be cleaned, and we'll get done today. I keep looking at myself in the mirror because this was an accident. Y'all see this hairstyle? This hairstyle, for one, before we get into what we actually get into, because I do be doing a lot of talking, this was an accident. So I know some of y'all have seen for Thanksgiving and majority of the month of November, I did have me a wig on, and your girl had flat twist. I'm breaking out again. Oh my gosh, I'm tired of all these breakouts. I had flat twisted my hair underneath my wig cap so my wig could lay flat and all that. And then when I needed to give my hair a break, because I'm gonna wash it today, I don't know, I might let it sit like this for another week before I wash it. But when I took it out, the flat twist, baby, these joints came out cuter than what I expected. So now I know when I want my curls, instead of just always doing two strand twists, I can just do a little flat twist out and call it a leg. Don't know what I'm dancing to, but I swear every time music pops into my head and I just gotta bob like this from side to side. Hey, 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 hey. All right, let me stop playing with y'all. Okay, so good news, good news, good news. As I've been telling y'all, I've been working on me, my self-love journey, my journey and my relationship with God, and really like letting him lead the way and letting him take charge. I feel like backing up and moving forward. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to work on this angle with my camera right now because where I got it sitting. But yeah, like I've really been working on that and being more in tune with that and actually trying to make it more natural for me. So where I don't have to force myself to do it every day. I'm still in the stage of forcing myself to get up every morning to do my devotional first, read my Bible first, pray first, and all that before I get on my phone and everything. But sooner or later, it will become something that is just second nature to me. So God has been opening a lot of doors for me, and I'm to everybody who may not believe in God or the religion or or have different whatever. That's fine. I'm not trying to push my Christianity on you. I'm not trying to push my religion on you. I'm not trying to push God on you. That's who I serve. My God, up in heaven above. That's that on that. So he's been opening a lot of doors for me, and he's been showing me blessings on top of blessings and letting me know that, baby girl, I get it. It's hard. I get it. It's frustrating. I get it. It's a struggle. I get it. You're doing everything you haven't seen done, but I believe in you, and I've wrote your story out for you this way, so I need you to trust in me. And I've been trusting in him. Sometimes I'm down and out and I'm just like, Lord, I don't know where you're trying to go with this, but he's moving in the right direction. And this year has been wonky for me, y'all, up and down. My toe is swollen right now. My wrist is still spraying. I've been feeling tired and drained. I haven't done no pop-up shops. My website has been shut down for a minute. Like, when I tell you everything has been taken away from me that I was supposed to be focusing on, has been taken away from me because I've been focusing more on my distractions than that. It's like, now, girl, get it together, stop playing. So that's what I'm doing. And with the good news, of course, I said that to say this. I hate the fact that I don't like how I get so nervous when I talk to y'all. So I started talking with my hands. I started talking real fast. So let me calm down and slow down because I feel like I am doing a lot of moving and talking stuff. So yeah, I said all that to say that your girl is now not only a brand ambassador for Dolled Up Nails, not only a brand ambassador for BW, Black with Booty. I just said beauty. And then I was about to say the right word. Should have had a VA. Anyways, BW, Black with Beauty Boutique is also who I'm a brand ambassador for. Guys, you're gonna see all of this because I'm really not trying to edit this video for real, especially just intro part. Like, I'm trying to give y'all this video unedited and raw. Y'all are receiving at least one video for Vlogmas that way, and this may be the one because I'm doing a lot of rambling. I know. Okay, so yeah, I also am now a brand ambassador for, make sure I get their name right because I keep wanting to say the Athenas. That ain't it. The name of the company is TheGlamGoddess. They are a company. They have a lot of makeup products, cosmetic products, and they have brand ambassadors where they send out those products to. They want us to, you know, get into our creative side and do whatever comes to mind with their products and showcase it and all that. So, of course, you know, your girl, my address is everywhere on here. We're going to show y'all the dirty side because the post office threw my stuff on the floor and didn't care. They could have put it under the door or in between the door where it didn't have to get dirty. Anyways, but your girl received her package yesterday. And after I finish cleaning and everything, that's when I'm going to do all my videos and content regarding whatever is in here. But I'm pressed right now and I really want to open this package. And I'm known, y'all don't know this, I just know this about myself, this is what I keep from y'all. I am known to like sneak a peek and open my packages before I come on here to open it with y'all because I be pressed. So I'm like, let me real open it with them so they can see my first reaction and real reaction, raw, all that. So yeah, so first things first, thank you to the Glam Goddess for one, taking me as a brand ambassador. For one, seeing my page, my work, what I have to offer and things like that, and saying, yeah, I want her on my team. I appreciate that, and I thank you for giving me a chance and blessing me with this opportunity. Because we about to have fun. Alright, y'all. So, if I ain't looking in the camera, I'm sorry. So I'm looking at myself. I'm looking in the mirror. I'm looking at the camera. All that. But let's open this package. I wish I could see my full body, but we'll fix that later in the actual video. But I'm not just opening stuff. Or should I make this a two-part video? Have one on my I don't know how to talk with you. Alright, so y'all gonna have this, y'all most likely gonna have this unboxing video by itself where I'm doing a whole lot of talking for no reason. And this is being unedited, so y'all get to see my personality for this. Oh, y'all, guess what? I got a bag in a bag. I said what I said. I got a bag in a bag. Alright, ain't nothing in there. Oh, I got the little black. Wait, my eye. Something scratching me. Alright, y'all. So I got this cute black bag. Cute, thank you, black bag. I like it. The gold, and the black. Everything. Y'all, that's my real reaction, and that was one of the ugliest faces I've ever made. But y'all, I am what? I just realized I had to cut this down and make it a reel and a TikTok too. I'll figure out how to do that. But what? Glam Goddess. Athena. Stop playing with me, y'all. Look what I got. Y'all, I just got me a set of brushes. All brand new brushes, y'all. And I've been telling myself that I need to get brushes. I should have washed my face, brushed my teeth, and all that before I made this video because I just feel crusty. But anyways, I've been telling myself, girl, stop getting new brushes because I have at least, I threw out a set of brushes already. So I think I'm down to like 3 sets of brushes. And I didn't know, like, oh my gosh. Y'all see these are cute and pink. We got the little fan brush, highlighter brush. We got our concealer blender out brushes. Oh, I am. Thank you. Oh, let me look in the camera. Hold on, let me do it again. Thank you. Because I keep looking at myself. sorry, Bacon Bear. I had to steal your sound for a little bit. Honey. I am pressed, y'all. Y'all can see shit. I told y'all I was going to run up my services as an MUA, not only just be in my face and everything, but getting my certifications, getting my license, and building my clientele. I do have a small clientele right now. It's like this small, but soon it's gonna be this big. The same thing with my clothing boutique. My clients and everybody that shop with me and support me, it's like this, but soon it's gonna be like this. My modeling and people that want to pay me, it's like this. Hold on, let me stop. It's like this. So it's gonna be like this. But yo, okay, I got a Glam Goddess palette. This is cute. Cosmetic palette. Ooh. Ooh. Y'all know how we gotta do. First we gotta play with the bubble wrap. Did they pop the most of the pop out of it? Ain't no more air to pop. No. I'm mad. This is be my favorite part of the packages. I get to the pop, 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 put a pop, pop, pop. And this time I couldn't. That's fine. Y'all, this is cute. I got another palette to add to my collection. I'm blocking back here because I need to clean my little wall of beauty. Because it's not giving right now. It's cluttered and Thanksgiving, we had family here, guests, all that. I should give y'all a story time about Thanksgiving, but we had all that. So, you know, this is my bathroom, but technically that's the guest room. So, they was all up in my bathroom. But, one, I like this palette because the background is giving glitz. It's giving glamour. It's giving shiny and bougie and everything that I like. That makes me a good girl. That girly girl. And it's purple. This is my mom's favorite color. It's also my mother-in-law's favorite color. Wish she was still here with us, Mom. This is cute. You know, you got the glitter and all that. And it really just looks like, it just brings it to life. Because this just looks like, I don't know how I want to explain it, but it's looking like it's looking. All right, let's open. Y'all, the looks I am about to create with these. Let me take the little plastic off so y'all can see it. The looks that I'm about to create with these colors, y'all. Like, look at the glitter at the bottom. We got pink, we got red, we got rose gold. It's giving like an orange rose gold. I like it. We got blue, my favorite color. Y'all already know. Blue is my favorite color. And we got black and glitter. And then we got all the matte colors and shimmery and shiny colors. And I don't know what kind of look I'm going to do first. What kind of look I should do for y'all today? I don't know. But y'all look. Like, I am. It's so pretty and neat. I want to touch it. I don't know why I sniff everything. I just do. Comment down below in the comment sections if you do the same thing. Wow, y'all. I'm excited because then I get to create a look using this palette with all my new brushes. Let's see what else I was given. Because I see one more little goodie. Missing one more little goodie up in there. Oh. The amount of slang and accents y'all be getting out of me on this channel, if it ain't patois, it'll be DC, because that's where I'm from. Or most people say it sound like I'm from down south. I don't see why. Glam Goddess, I see you, boo. I see you, boo. You, for one, I could never have enough lashes, because I'm already a brand ambassador for the Nana Lashes. I keep saying the Nana Lashes, because that's her Instagram page. Make sure y'all follow the Nana Lashes at the Nana Lashes. Lash by Nana, I already get lashes from her, and she be having the lashes on deck. But now I'm getting more lashes from the Glam Goddess. Do y'all see this? Wait, wrong way. Do y'all see this? It's funny because this video is really about to be unedited, and it's just, I'm excited to see how it goes when y'all react. Y'all, look at this. This is beauty for real. Like, y'all see, I can't wait to, with these babies on, we're about to be, Blinking. And this is their LX Plus 09. So if you're interested in purchasing these and shopping with them, these are these. These are giving wispy. Wow. Ooh. Yes. Yes. Right on time because I got a photo shoot tomorrow. And yeah. I'm 2 makeup looks. Should I do a makeup look for tonight? We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed all my craziness and y'all seeing what happens throughout the full video when it's not edited. Thank you so much to the Glam Goddess for 1, making me a brand ambassador. I appreciate y'all so much. 2, blessing me with these gifts right here. I am pressed. I'm pressed to go do my face. I'm pressed to go be my face. Be slayed. What? And all that as soon as I figure out what kind of look I'm gonna do. Or I ain't even gonna tell y'all because I know. Because I've also been saving some like makeup tutorials. Not makeup tutorials, but makeup looks on Instagram. I know y'all seen them pages on Instagram that be doing the cute little eye makeups and they have their mocks for people to recreate. I have a couple of those saved that I want to do. So I'll probably let that be a part of Vlogmas. And y'all can have endless makeup looks for me. And I can start stepping out of my comfort zone again. So yeah, yo, I'm excited. So right now I'm about to use all this energy that I finally have now to clean this bathroom, go straighten up that room because yeah. And we plan on going into the new year feeling like the boss that we is, because I am a boss. I'm all that and more. And I'm telling y'all this to tell it to myself and to y'all, like, stop letting people smaller you up. Stop letting people dim your lights. And what that? You all that in bag of chips. But other than that, we out. Let me go take this burst of energy and go clean. Peace, love, and blessings, beauties. Bye.
I just wake up, you know.